These are some of the new shell and mother of pearl beads that we got in this week. I love all these new shapes. This shell is from Australia. And we have these fun pendants that are very mermaidy, and they're drilled at the top. And we have two different types. Each one is unique and super fun for summer. These are drilled at the top also. Love, and these tiny little guys, they are so sweet. And these strands are super long. I have this one twisted and doubled. So these are super long strands. You get quite a few of these little shells on the strand. We have fun ovals. I love that we have them in the white and the tan color. This is a 20mm coin, which I really love for designing. I think it's a great size. Little stars, hearts, rondelles, smaller coins. These leaves we've been having lots of people ask for. We were excited we're able to get them in. They're all carved little leaves. And we have them in two sizes. There's a little size and a bigger size. And they're just really fun. I could see some nice sweet little earrings made out of these. And then we have Hishi, and of course this dyed mother of pearl, which I think is fun colors for the summer. So, super excited about these. Hope you'll like them.